Hello all, welcome to my channel. Potato wedges is for sure a favorite for most of us, and this video is about the making of this yummy snack. To begin with, 4 potatoes are washed well and sliced into medium cuts and boiled for about 5 minutes by adding a bit of salt. Water is drained and the potatoes are allowed to dry. The spice mix is prepared by adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon paprika powder, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. The potatoes are mixed into this paste and a tablespoon of olive oil is once again added so that all the spices are covered over the potatoes well. The baking tray is greased and the slices of potatoes are placed over the tray. It is then placed in the preheated oven and baked for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the slices are flipped so that they are cooked well and continued to be cooked for 15 minutes more. Then, grated cheddar cheese is added or sprinkled over the potato slices before the set time is over. Now the potatoes seem to be done and it is time to serve. So it's topped with parsley leaves and more cheese. So here goes the appetizing potato wedges suitable for a winter evening tea. Do try this interesting recipe and let me know what you feel about it. I will meet you again with yet another interesting video. Until then, it's me Jo. Bye bye. Take care.